Welcome to Foxify. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build a stacked images effect, where your images overlap as you scroll. This effect not only makes your design more engaging and interactive, but it's also a great way to highlight multiple visuals in a limited space, keeping visitors interested as they scroll through your page. Let's dive in. Start by adding a stack element to your page. The stack will serve as the container for your images. Adjust its width and height depending on your purpose. For this tutorial, we'll create a banner-sized section. Now, configure the stack. Set the direction to vertical, so elements will stack on top of each other. Add some gap between them and apply padding inside the container to give it breathing room. Next, drag and drop your image elements into the stack container. Set each image to width, 100% and height, auto. This ensures they scale to the full width of the container while maintaining their original aspect ratio. You can style your images for extra impact. Add a box shadow to create a subtle 3D depth. Adjust the border radius for rounded corners or unique shapes. Under General Settings, you can also adjust load priority, image fit, shape, or even add a click action depending on your needs. Now for the overlapping effect. Select each image, go to the Design tab, and change the position to sticky. Then, adjust the top inset for each image. This controls the point where the image becomes fixed while scrolling. By using different inset values, you can control how the images stack and overlap. For extra creativity, try slightly rotating each image to create a dynamic effect. And that's it. You've created a stacked image effect with overlapping images that can be styled in creative ways. Experiment with rotations, shadows, and padding until you achieve the perfect look for your design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips on designing pages that sell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.